Welcome to our channel. In this simple guide, we'll walk you through the steps to log into your Neil Patel dashboard. Whether you're using his SEO tools or accessing your account for the first time, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Step 2. Go to the Neil Patel website. In the address bar, type in the URL www.neilpatel.com. Press Enter to navigate to the home page. Step 3. Locate the login button. Once you're on the Neil Patel website, look for the Login button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. A login form will appear. Here, enter the email address associated with your Neil Patel account. Make sure you double-check for any typos. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, there will typically be a Forgot Password link available to help you reset it. Step 6. Click on the Login button. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. This action will take you to your Neil Patel dashboard. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. Congratulations! You are now logged into your Neil Patel dashboard. Take some time to explore the various tools and resources available to you. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the login process, be sure to check your internet connection and ensure that your login credentials are correct. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.